In triangle ABC, BC equals to 2 times of AB. D and E are points on BC such that BD equals to DC and BE equals to ED. We have to prove that AC square is equals to 4 times of AE square. Let's look at this 10th grade similar triangles problem. Now let's try to understand how this triangle looks like. We have been given that BC equals to 2 times of AB. So you can see a triangle now in which, let us say AB is x, then BC should be equals to 2 times of x. So we have taken care of that condition. We also know that D is midpoint of BC. That means BD equals to DC equals to x, and E is midpoint of BD. That means BE equals to ED equals to x by 2. Let's go ahead and write down whatever we discussed just now. Let us say AB equals to x. Now, then we know that BC equals to 2 times of x. And we have been given that D is midpoint of BC. So BD will be half of BC, which is equals to x. Also we know E is midpoint of BD. So BE is equals to half of BD, which is equals to x by 2. What we need to prove is AC square is equals to 4 times of AE square. Remember, we don't have much of angle information. We have been given more of side information or the ratio of the sides. So, we should look at SAS similarity criteria to prove that these two triangles are similar to each other. That means we need to consider those triangles in which AE and AC are present, and we should also have a common angle. So, which triangles fit this criteria? We have triangle BAE and the triangle BCA. If you look at these two triangles, we have BA by BC, which is equals to x by 2x, and that is equals to 1 by 2. We can easily say that. And you check what is BE by BA. BE is x by 2 and BA is x. So BE by BA is also giving you 1 by 2. That means two sides are corresponding sides are proportional. In these two triangles, two corresponding sides are proportional, and also there is one angle which is common to both the triangles, that is angle B of ABE triangle or angle B of ABC triangle. So we can go ahead and confidently say therefore these two triangles are similar to each other by SAS similarity criteria. So let's go ahead and write down that therefore triangle BAE is similar to triangle BCA by SAS similarity criteria. It's early morning 6:30, 6:40 here, and it is raining outside. And what a wonderful way to connect with you early morning. What a good way to start the day. Thank you for being there. Let's learn math. Share the knowledge whatever you have. Share whatever you have with others. God bless you. Okay, let's go ahead. Therefore, once we know these two triangles are similar to each other, we know corresponding sides are proportional. We already know two sides are proportional. What is the other side which we haven't considered? That is what we need to prove. So we can go ahead and write down BA by BC is equals to AE by AC. But we know BA by BC is x by 2x, and that is equals to AE by AC. X by 2x is 1 by 2. So I can go ahead and write down AE by AC equals to 1 by 2. Now that means you can do cross multiplication. You will get AC square equals to 4AE square. I haven't written after that because my Apple Pencil just stopped writing after that. So I'm just giving you the voice for that. If you do cross multiplication, you will get AC square equals to 4AE square. That's what we need to prove. So take care of yourself. Be safe. Thanks for your love and support. Bye for now.